Hello, all of you. How are you all? I hope you're well. I'm going to post today a video on the tarot reading for the persons belonging to the sun sign of Scorpion. Right? Now, those who are of sun sign Scorpio, as well as cross watchers, moon sign Scorpio, all of you can take from the reading whichever resonates with you. As you all know that I do a 6 card reading based on the energy, and the energies are always shifting, that you should remember, which I mention in all of my videos. So as this is a general reading, it will not resonate with everyone, but of course it will cover the general predictions for the sun sign of Scorpio. So today, all you lovely Scorpions, let me do a reading for you. So this will be a reading for the sun sign Scorpio, moon sign Scorpio, and the cross watchers. And also, if you want to watch for someone who belong to the sun sign of Scorpio, you can also take from this reading, right? Okay, so let me do the reading then. So I would do a reading for the sun sign of Scorpio for the month of December, starting from the 15th to the 31st. Everyone, I am sending you good vibes for the month of December. I hope you have a wonderful time. It's near about the end of the year, so a lot of merriment, lot of joy I wish for everyone, and a lot of success in your life as well. So let me now do the reading for the sun sign of Scorpio from the 15th of December to the 31st of December. Okay, so let me take out the cards. Okay, right, so at the bottom of the deck we have the Ace of Swords. So wonderful energy, so success, good fortune, everything is on your way, so it's lovely. Now if we concentrate on the cards, first of all, some monetary benefit, some unexpected money is on your way. You might really not have thought about it, but from somewhere you're going to get money, and that's really going to boost your energy, as I think you had been a little bit worried about your finances lately. So this will boost you up, and the finances will be bright, as I can see from the card. You're holding on to your finances from the next card. You have quite a bit of savings and you're holding back to it. You're not spending much, as you're not sure maybe where to invest or what to do with the savings so that you can increase your savings. So that's why I guess you're holding to your finances, and little bit confused also, like what to do about. Maybe if you have some business in mind, you are thinking which option you should opt for. But as you can see at the back of the deck, I see the Ace of Swords that I have shown you earlier. So I guess whichever your intuition says that you should invest in this business, I think you should, because there is success in that. So don't really think a lot about it. That's what I wanted to say. Excuse me. Next one, yeah, you're gathering your money, like this one that you've got, that some unexpected money. This actually is unpredictable, but this one is predictable. You know that if I can save little bit, like bits in bits, and I'm going to kind of, with my hard work, I'm going to save quite a lot for myself. So that's what you're working on. As well as in another aspect also, I can say you are working on your career as well. So you are thinking about which career option would be best for you, and where, and if you're in a job, you are thinking how to improve your job position. So in that aspect also you're working. So that's a good thing, Scorpions. Like, you're working for actually your well-being, which is a very important thing. Now the next one is, I see a little bit of conflict. What I can assess from here is the conflict is in your workplace. So I will suggest you avoid any heated arguments or conversations, as because people are there who are going to, as you're working towards your career, people are there who are really going to say something about you behind your back, and that's going to make you angry. So just avoid these kind of arguments and conversations, which will actually delay this success. So just the best part is you ignore, you just concentrate on the hard work that you're doing. This one, you concentrate on this, and you try to avoid this, right, to attain this success, right? Because success is there at the back of the deck. You have got Ace of Swords, so success is confirmed for you. Now next, you're carrying a lot of workload, maybe at home or at your workplace. So just relax a bit. Don't take too much of a stress, too much of a workload. Sometimes take a break. Go out with your friends, family, whichever you find peace in. So you just de-stress yourself, which will be helpful for you. So don't take a lot of burden on you. There are going to be a lot of conversations and lot of messages coming your way. So you just you take those messages in the right spirit, and this will improve your career. You're working hard, right, on your career as well as on your finances. So whenever you get positive messages, you just work on that, so that will improve your career. So you're going to get a lot of conversations, and ultimately success is very much waiting for you. So you don't worry at all. Overall, what I can say, the cards are very good. So there's no negative card. Only the thing is that you have to avoid this conflict at your workplace. I'm getting a strong sense that it's in your workplace. Some people are saying something behind your back, which you're not aware. Maybe you think they are your friends, but actually not. So be very wise in choosing friends for yourself, as well as saying all your saying about your good qualities and whatever work you are doing. So don't just share with everybody. So people are really not very much happy with the work that you're doing and that you're going to gain success. So that is what I wanted to mean, because that's going to delay your success actually in the long run. And another thing, which is that don't take too much of a burden. I know you're working hard, so you will be getting more work as because you're working hard. So always hard work is recognized. But the thing is that don't overburden yourself with this hard work. Because if you overburden yourself, you're not going to be able to take the right course of action in whichever thing you want to put your mind into, right? So you need to de-stress yourself. And even I think whenever these kind of situations come up, like these conflicts and all, people get burdened sometimes by their own negative thoughts. So this also might be the case. So don't overburden yourself. You're actually in the right path, doing the right thing, because success is awaiting you, right? I've shown this at the back of the deck. So don't do anything that is going to deviate you from your path of victory. That's what I meant. So Scorpions, this is all that I have for you for the last bit of December. I'll come up with more readings and hope you all are wonderful and you're enjoying yourself, and see you next time. Till then, bye.